In this video, we're going to see how easy it is to get DXPR Builder running on your local machine by installing the DXPR Simple demo website. So this is a great tool for anyone starting a new website, wanting to use DXPR Builder as layout builder, but it's also an excellent way for first-time users to set up the DXPR Builder locally, because we can simply run the installer for the profile and all configuration will be done for us. So we get started by copying this composer command. Oh, and I should say, before we can install, we need to have a web server on our machine. So you might use Docker, or in my case, I'm using the Valet server, which is a very lightweight web server system for Mac OS. Okay, so we start by copying this composer command, and then we're going to open a terminal window. So in this terminal window or command line window, I'm going to cd into my web folder and paste the composer command here. So I'm going to replace project dir name with a folder name of my choice and hit enter to start the installation. So as we can already see here, our next instruction is to open the project in our browser and follow installation instructions. We can also automate the installation with Drush, but for this tutorial, we're just going to do the installation steps in the browser. So the way Valet works is that I can simply enter the folder name and add .test, and it will load the website for me. Database name, DXPR simple 2. You may have to create this database first if it doesn't exist. I'm using the root user, which means the database will be created on the fly right now. Okay, here we go. This is just your standard Drupal installation form. My username and password. Save and continue. So before we can use the layout builder, we need to install a product key. So I'm going to copy the product key and paste it here. Now I can go to, I think, to the home page, and we'll find our single demo content item that we have here. So as you can see, the XPR builder is working here. I can drag and drop stuff. I have a pre-configured integration with the media library, and I can create a new content item with the XPR builder by using the basic page type. So we're all set up to start creating a website with the XPR builder.